My name is Shaquan. I'm one of the patient advocates at Dr. Gordon's office at the Compassionate Cannabis Clinic.
My name is Tiffany. I'm also one of the patient advocates at Dr. Gordon's office for the Compassionate Cannabis Clinic.
Today we're going to give you some Florida product updates for legal patients.
We spend a lot of time looking through the dispensaries and exploring the options, and we'd like to update you on what's going on.
So Aphria, we had their product, and while we absolutely love it, we don't like that they changed to these kind of throwaway cartridges. We do like the fact that they're actually going to change it. So we got to.
The quality of the products is phenomenal with Aphria.
It's absolutely great.
The taste is fantastic. It's very
amazing.
Quality.
And
we can't wait until there's actually a little bit more product in the cartridges also,
right,
because they look about a third full. But the quality is fantastic, so we can't wait for Aphria.
Absolutely. They're going to change back to the actual original cartridges that they had to begin with. So we can't wait till they do that. And as soon as they get them, hopefully I'm one of the first to get one. So
me too.
Yeah, we'll let you know how that goes. Curaleaf. While I think they also have a great product,
without a doubt,
it's very, very thick. It almost seems the same as their distillate. Now, when you turn it to the side, it really doesn't move at all. And it's very, very, very hard to get a draw from it.
I describe it kind of like a milkshake almost.
Basically, a really, really thick
kind
milkshake.
of a tougher draw.
Yeah, so it's kind of hard to get a draw from.
But the quality, again, is perfect.
You almost have to heat it up with a hairdryer or almost a lighter. So that's pretty difficult to get a draw from.
So Knox just opened in St. Pete. I absolutely love going up there. It's right near Tropicana Field, easy drive. The enthusiasm that they have for their products is phenomenal, although they do use the MCT oil. So it makes it a little bit harsher when you smoke it, but they do have 7 out of the 8 top strains on Leafly, and they're definitely true to taste. It just has that burning sensation. You want to talk about that a little bit, the MCT oil?
The MCT oils is a medium chain triglyceride, and it is basically a coconut oil that they use as a cutting agent in the product. And it basically does assist in giving you either that scratchy throat or maybe a headache. And a lot of people see that, they really don't get a nice feeling from it. So
Knox does have suppositories though, and they're the first dispensary to come out with suppositories for anal and vaginal, so that's a really exciting new addition to product availability.
Trulieve. While we absolutely love Trulieve, they also use the MCT oils, and while I feel like it's sort of a downfall in one of their cartridges, they also have a True Stick. And the True Clear, which is an absolutely amazing product, being 85% to 95, I think, or 97% THC.
Mm-hmm.
So
no cutting agents.
There's no cutting agents, which is the MCT oil in the True Stick or the True Clear, which I think is absolutely great. And the MCT oil in the regular cartridges, again, some people see that, they either get a headache or a scratchy throat or, an achiness, somewhere in the throat area from that. So I think it's kind of their only downfall at Trulieve, but also they're always kind of running out of product. And a lot
we say call ahead. If you're going to go visit one of the dispensaries, call ahead.
Well,
Make sure they have it.
We hear from patients on a daily basis that, every time I go to Trulieve, they're always out of something, or, I grabbed something, I kind of stayed well stocked, but next time I went, or every time I go, they're just out of it. And they kind of come to us searching for a solution, or they call and say, where do I go next? And my answer is always, you're able to try different dispensaries, and if that's what you want to do, you're absolutely able to, And I say that you should, because you may love somebody's product, better than you like Trulieve's product. Not that, we love anybody more or less, but, you just may find that you like somebody else's different, Everybody's biochemistry is a little bit different, so.
The True Clear Stick is really great, though, and they just came out with Trainwreck, and they also have Do-Si-Do, so. Some good options as far as Trulieve is going. Keep going with the True Stick.
It is amazing, absolutely.
We love Sutera. We love everything about Surterra. They're beautiful and organic and natural, and the experience at their dispensary is phenomenal. All of their locations are set up generally like a spa, and so it's very welcoming and inviting, and patients can actually bring other guests in with them for the experience, and we have had wonderful customer service. The only downfall would be that they're not strain specific. It's a little bit difficult to actually nail down exactly the strain that you're using with Surterra, but they do base their products on calming and effects rather than on strains. So Sutera, what can you say? They're awesome.
Yeah, what Surterra does with their product is they really formulate their product to give you a level of CBDs versus THCs rather than strain specificity, which I kind of like for the medicinal aspect, because that's really what a lot of people are really searching for. They really want either a high level of CBDs, or they want something that's right in the middle. And at Surterra, you can find whatever end of the spectrum that you want. So I think that's absolutely amazing that they really do that, and they make a more streamlined, consistent based product rather than a up and down product. And I like that.
You can also do the tincture drops in accordance with the vaporizer pens. Everything is going to be working out. They also are organic and natural and do not use the MCT oils, and that is a really beneficial aspect of Surterra.
Absolutely. So last but not least, we do want to talk to you about this dispensary, which is going to be Move. It is AltMed, but is their brand Move, that is coming to Sarasota sometime, hopefully in April or May. We're not sure of the exact date.
We're hoping for 420.
That'd be awesome. But they just have an array of products, that I think everybody is really going to love. And I think they have something for every single person almost in our office. They have inhalers, they have patches, there are tincture oils and sprays, just as the regular dispensaries now have.
Also, when it comes to some of their vaporizer pens, they are going to be top in the market. They're also completely organic and natural. And it looks like they're going to be offering 500 milligrams for $50, which is super competitive in the market.
90% distillate.
They're also going to be doing the terpene-enriched vaporizer pens. So it looks like they are going to have a wonderful variety of options for everybody. We cannot wait to welcome them to the market.
Absolutely. I think my favorite thing from AltMed is their transdermal gel. Now, normally when you use a topical, you can't really break the blood barrier and really feel that psychoactivity from the THC. But what they've found and formulated is that you can actually break the blood barrier, and they've made a transdermal gel that will help you in outside, and you can actually feel the THC from it too. So I think that's absolutely great. AltMed, very excited to see you, and we can't wait.
Go to VeniceCare.com and check out information on new updates, including support groups that will be happening and updates that are continuously going on with us.
Schedule your appointment and come see us.
Can't wait to see you.
All right, thanks.